Making your own playing cards is fun and easy. To get started, create the designs you want on the front of each card. You can either do this using digital art software, or draw the designs by hand and scan or photograph them. Another option is to use photos on your cards, or download pre-existing designs from the web. Don't forget to choose an image for the backs of the cards too. Once you've created or chosen your images, use a graphic design program to format the designs the way you want. For example, use your software to set the printing dimensions of each card and add details such as the numbers and suit symbols. When you're completely satisfied with your designs, print them out on cardstock. Depending on how big you make the cards, you can generally fit about 9 card designs on standard size piece of printable cardstock. Next, turn the page over and print it out again, with the card back designs on the other side. You may need to experiment with how you orient the page in your printer to make sure that the backs and fronts line up properly when you print them out. If you're satisfied with how the printed cards turned out, use a ruler to draw cutting lines between the cards. Carefully cut out the cards using a paper cutter or a sharp utility knife. Put the finishing touch on your cards by rounding the corners with a special corner rounding tool, which you can buy in a scrapbooking or arts and crafts store.